A Soviet boy tied a steel pipe to a piece of wood. Then he carved the groove inside that steel pipe. He poured gunpowder and steel balls into the pipe, pressed them down tight with all his strength. That's how the boy made his very first rifle. This boy had always been obsessed with firearms. To chase his dream, he joined the Soviet army. When he grew up, he saw so many comrades get injured, all because the firearms they used were poor quality. So the man made up his mind. He would design the best gun there ever was. Then he went to a factory, drew a rough sketch of his gun design. Soon his workmates all came to help him out. With everyone pulling together, they built the first version of his assault rifle. Next they took it to test fire. When he saw the bullet holes in the barrel, the man's face lit up with joy. He took the gun to a general. After the general tested it, he was really satisfied with what he saw. So the general recommended the man to join a firearms design competition. During the improvement process, the man found lots of problems with the gun. He added new parts to fix them, but every time he did, new problems popped up. That's when the man remembered the rifle he made as a kid. He suddenly realized only a simple firearm is less likely to malfunction. So the man kept simplifying the parts. Before long his new king of guns was born. The man rushed straight to the shooting range. He lifted the gun and pulled the trigger. 3 bullets hit the target dead on. Then he switched the gun to burst mode. He was totally satisfied with how it performed, but soon the guards showed up. The man got arrested for firing a gun without permission. As he looked at those perfect bullet holes, the man couldn't help but smile happily, because he'd broken military rules. The man was taken to the general. This general was also a firearms designer. So the man took out his gun, took it apart right in front of everyone. When the general saw the gun's structure, he was fascinated by its simple design. So the general once again recommended the man to take part in that firearms competition. A month later the competition started. To test how well the firearms worked, all the competing guns were first soaked in water. They were even rolled around in the sand. Under these harsh conditions, other guns either jammed or had other malfunctions. Only the assault rifle designed by this man was totally unaffected. It still fired smoothly without a hitch. In the end the man won first place. The gun soon went into mass production. Its total output ended up exceeding 100 million. So do you know the name of this assault rifle?